Isa sa pinaka-favorite Korean food namin ang roast tteokbokki and kimchi fried rice. After being out of the country for a month, Korean food talaga yung pinaka-na-miss ko. And sakto, first time namin ng family ko matitikman ang Soban K-Town Grill. This is their branch in SM Mega Mall. For me, this is an upscale Korean samgyeopsal. Ambience pa lang, sobrang winner na. We went around 11 a.m. kaya halos wala pang tao. We ordered the mega meat set for 2 since kami lang naman ng daddy yung malakas sa meat. And then a la carte orders ng roast tteokbokki and kimchi fried rice. The mega meat set for 2 comes with 2 iced tea, which is super good by the way. 6 unlimited Korean side dishes na masarap lahat, walang tapon. Dito pa lang, sulit na yung set meal kasi feast talaga. Bagay lahat sa meat. May sweet sauce, samjang, and sesame oil. Only soup, only lettuce, and only rice. They only use high quality meats kaya mas pricey siya compared sa iba. Sourced from abroad, NMIS certified, and premium USDA choice. Pinaka nagustuhan ng kids ko yung soup, egg rolls, and mashed potato. Grabe, nakailang serving sila niyan. And time to grill! Syempre, ang mommy ang tagaluto ng lahat. Enjoy naman ako kasi ang ganda ng panghigop nila dito sa Soban. Hindi mausok kaya hindi mo ka malagkit yung place. Sobrang excited kami ng daughter ko dito sa roast tteokbokki. Ito yung tame version ng tteokbokki kasi nalalesen ng milk yung spice. Love the chewy rice and fish cakes. Ang sarap pa ng sauce. Proof din sa amin yung kimchi fried rice ng Soban. If you're not into spicy food, pwede mong request na mild spice lang like what we did. They used high quality rice and very flavorful. My family loved this. Sobrang said, walang butil na natira. For me, tawang-tama lang yung ratio ng ingredients, hindi overpowering yung kimchi. Pag K-barbecue grill, hindi ako masyado ma-rice. I like wrapping the meat with lettuce. Then, lalagyan ko ng kimchi. Tapos gustong-gusto ko maraming samjang sauce. Actually, nilagyan ko rin to ng sweet sauce and sesame oil. Then, sabi ng daughter ko, try ko daw lagyan ng rice. Then, wrap with lettuce and enjoy. This is so fun. Gustong-gusto ko yung marinated meats nila, especially the chicken. Sobrang na-miss ko talaga to. And buti na lang, yung meat set may kasamang vanilla ice cream and 2 coffee jelly. Pantanggal ng spice sa bibig kasi medyo spicy pa rin yung tteokbokki and other side dishes. Tamang-tama, mahilig ako sa coffee jelly and gusto ko to kasi hindi masyado matamis. At gusto ko to, meron silang linen spray para pantanggal ng amoy grill sa damit. Super bango pa, in fairness. We really enjoyed our first time sa Soban K-Town Grill. Kayo, have you tried this?